Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Thane Municipal Corporation. First, visit the official Thane Municipal Corporation website. Look for the Recruitment or Online Application section. This portal is your gateway to various services and job opportunities. Carefully read the instructions provided on the homepage to understand the current application cycle and any specific guidelines. This initial step ensures you are on the right track. Before starting your application, compile all necessary documents. You'll typically need educational qualifications, proof of age, and a domicile certificate for Maharashtra residents. An Aadhaar card or other government-issued ID is also crucial. Make sure to have scanned copies of these documents, along with a recent photograph and your signature, ready for upload. Check the official notification for specific file formats and size limits. Once your documents are ready, proceed to the online application. First, register as a new user, creating a unique login ID and password. Then, meticulously fill in all personal, educational, and contact details in the application form. After completing the form, upload the scanned copies of your documents. Finally, pay the application fee, which can be around 1,000 rupees for general categories, using online payment methods. As you finalize your application, always double-check every detail for accuracy to avoid any discrepancies. After successful submission, remember to download and save a copy of your completed application form and the payment receipt for future reference. These documents are vital for any follow-up or verification processes. Also, for those looking to simplify their home cleaning, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.